Here's a great recipe from Lana's Kitchen, my homemade chili. This chili is so flavorful, it is good any time of the year. So let's get started. You will need 1 pepper, 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic, really good olive oil, and 1 lime. I like to make my chili with 2 pounds of ground sirloin, but you can use any ground beef you like. You could even use ground chicken or ground turkey, and a big bunch of fresh cilantro. The seasonings I use are salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, any kind of chili seasoning blend, and smoked paprika. Two cups of frozen corn, any corn you like. You can even use canned corn. Today I'm using a roasted Mexican corn. One can of kidney beans. One cup of instant corn masa flour. Heat your oil on medium heat. When the oil is hot, then add your meat. Once the meat turns brown, then you can add 1 chopped red pepper. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Give it a good stir. Add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Two teaspoons of ground cumin. Two teaspoons of chili powder. 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cayenne, depending on how hot you like it. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now get your half a cup of masa and 1 cup of water and stir. And remember to add salt and black pepper to your taste. Now pour the masa mixture directly into your chili. Stir the masa into the chili until it's evenly combined. Add 1 can of red kidney beans. Add 2 cups of the roasted Mexican corn. Give it a good stir. Simmer on low for about 20 minutes. Add your chopped cilantro, as much as you like. And for the final touch, add the juice of half a lime. I wish you could smell the aroma of this chili. This chili is going to be so flavorful. Lana's homemade chili, voted the best in my house. I added some rice and some chips and a little slice of lime to go with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the chili, remember to subscribe and like my channel. See you again soon. Bye.